We made it to another BLM site. This one's called The Box, but we're still not sure just where to park or how to do it. We just want to make sure we get a good view. All right, we got this thing level. Always takes a little bit, maybe like 10 minutes. Sometimes we don't need leveling, but most of the time we do. We're driving through one of the largest dead zones in America, and we just saw a bunch of satellites, so it's kind of cool. They're probably trying to communicate with the aliens.
Last night we stayed at another Walmart very unexpectedly due to a fire that was starting to spread at the campground we were in at this national forest. The park ranger or camp host actually came to our site to kind of give us a heads up that there could be an evacuation in the middle of the night. We didn't feel comfortable staying there given that there was, potential for something to go bad. So here we are at Walmart. We placed an order for pickup, but they are not accepting people coming inside, so we have to walk through the drive-thru.
Hello. We're next. We are at Petrified Forest National Park, and we're going on a trail. It's called the Giant Logs Trail. There's just a bunch of petrified wood here, and we had to look that up, and it's essentially material that has crystallized or mineralized. But all of this wood is from over 200 million years ago, when the dinosaurs were roaming and when Arizona, this area, was just north of the equator. So it's just crazy how much history there is, and just seeing the wood, it's so crazy. It's got so many different colors. It's just very beautiful. Wow, just look how big these chunks are. These are almost entire trees over here.
This is the biggest log here, and we're calling it the big log. Pretty sure that's what they call it too.
Yeah, just look at the scale. It's so big. This one's bark has been really well preserved.
Can you state your name for the camera, please? Ma'am, you're under arrest for being too small. All right, folks, back on the road.